Have you ever wondered, did ancient civilizations know about black holes? It sounds unbelievable, even impossible. No telescopes. No satellites. No astrophysics. But the deeper we dive into ancient texts and mythology, the more we find descriptions that strangely echo what we now call black holes. Is it coincidence? Or could ancient thinkers have somehow grasped this cosmic mystery thousands of years before modern science? Let's embark on a journey through ancient astronomy, forgotten wisdom, and the frontiers of space. The stargazers of the ancient world. Thousands of years ago, civilizations like the Greeks, Egyptians, Indians, Chinese, and Mesopotamians were watching the skies closely. They tracked the stars, mapped constellations, predicted eclipses, and built monuments aligned with celestial events. Without digital tools, they relied on naked eye observations and deep, generational knowledge. But sometimes, what they saw didn't fit known patterns. They witnessed stars that vanished, lights that blinked out for no reason, and dark spots in the sky, where something should be. Could these have been early glimpses of black holes? Invisible stars, and cosmic absences. Some ancient writings speak of stars that cannot be seen, yet are felt by their influence. The Greeks, for example, speculated about unseen celestial spheres that moved visible stars. The Babylonians recorded irregularities in planetary movements, patterns that modern scientists now understand as gravitational anomalies. Even more curious, in some texts, invisible forces or devouring stars were described as consuming light and matter. While these may have been symbolic, the parallels to black holes are hard to ignore. Hindu cosmology and the consumer of worlds. Take Hindu cosmology. In texts like the Mahabharata, the universe is described as cyclical: creation, preservation, and destruction. One myth speaks of Draupadi, whose sari unravels endlessly, symbolizing a force that can absorb all reality. Another myth refers to Kala, time itself, as a devourer. In Vishnu Purana, there's mention of cosmic dissolution, entire universes collapsing into darkness. These aren't scientific descriptions, but metaphorically, they match what black holes do: collapse matter, distort time, and leave only darkness behind. Ancient Egypt and the hidden portals. Now let's turn to ancient Egypt. The Book of the Dead tells us about the Duat, a mysterious underworld filled with perilous gates and shadowy beings. One passage speaks of the soul being pulled into the darkness, where no light returns. Another depicts Ra, the sun god, battling a serpent in a region beyond time and space. These stories may reflect their understanding of cosmic cycles: sunrise, sunset, light disappearing and reappearing. Could they also be allegories for gravitational collapse and event horizons? An early sense of gravity. Even the idea of gravity, though not formally defined, was pondered by ancient minds. Aristotle believed heavier objects fall faster. He was wrong, but he was trying to explain gravitational behavior. Later, Indian mathematician astronomers like Aryabhata and Brahmagupta discussed planetary attraction and motion centuries before Newton. They didn't know about general relativity, but they sensed a cosmic force pulling objects together. This intuition, mass influencing motion, is a key aspect of what black holes do: bend space, bend light, and bend time. How could they know? So how did they know? Option 1. Observational genius. With clearer skies and no light pollution, ancient astronomers tracked tiny details over generations. They noticed when stars flickered or disappeared. Option 2. Symbolic intuition. Through mythology and metaphor, they explored abstract concepts, like endless gravity, light-devouring monsters, or cosmic rebirth. Option 3. Lost knowledge. Some believe ancient civilizations inherited knowledge from even older ones, like the mysterious builders of Göbekli Tepe or the mythic Atlantis. And the fourth possibility? They knew more than we think. Modern science meets ancient symbols. Let's fast forward. In 1915, Einstein proposed general relativity. In 1967, the term black hole was coined. In 2019, we captured a black hole's image for the first time. And yet, centuries before telescopes, humans told stories of cosmic voids, dark devours, and invisible power. Maybe they didn't know about black holes in the scientific sense, but they were asking the same big questions. What happens when light disappears? What is the nature of time and space? Are there places in the cosmos that we can't return from? So, did ancient civilizations know about black holes? Not with equations. Not with models. But maybe, through intuition, observation, and metaphor, they understood something deeper. And that should inspire us. Because if they could look up at the stars and imagine the impossible, what more might we discover when we open our minds? If you enjoyed this exploration into ancient minds and modern mysteries, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep questioning the universe together. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think they knew? Stay curious. Stay cosmic. See you in the next video.